Welcome back to our class. Yes? Yes, children. See, in previous class, we completed houses we make lesson. Yes? So, what I said is in previous class, so read the lesson and underline the hard words I said. Yes, show me your textbooks. Show me your textbooks, all of you. I will check you. How many members read the lesson? Your textbook keep in front of the camera. So I will see. On your videos, all of you on your videos. Manisha, Ishwar, Shruti, Harish, Charantej, Srividya, Hansik. On your videos first. Aruhi, Bharat, Rakul Bharat, Kanta Shashank. Kanishka, Manisha, Aruhi, Shashank, Praneeth, Chandu. Yeah, Praneeth. So how many times I said on your videos? Are you finished your homework? Are you finished your homework? So okay, show me a textbook, man. I will see you underline or I did not underline the hard words. Make it fast. Yeah, Kanishka is. So what happened? Yes, very good. Next, what about others? Yes, Shashank, very good. Varsha, okay. Ritika, yeah, good. Bhavana, yeah, what about others? What about others? Ishwar, Harika, did you finish? No. So today I will give absent to you. So those who did not completed your homework, I will give the absent to you. So those who completed your homework, what is your doubt? Come up at Umesh. What is your doubt?
Teacher, textbook not there, teacher. Textbook, workbook.
Okay. You don't have textbooks. Okay, no problem. So today I will give the homework to you. Houses we make. Give me. Houses we make. All of you read and write. Don't write simply. I will ask you if after completion of these words, I will ask you. So all of you read and write. Don't miss the letters. Okay? Protect first hard words. No. Don't no need and all of you take out your notebook. See notes and write. After that, you write. You copy in your play notes, mana. Okay? Protect. Protects. Protects. Peace. Comfortable. Comfortable. Elegant. early man. Next, broken. Broken. Blown. 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 Stronger. Let's do it. Stronger. Affected. Affected. Materials. 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 Climate. Climate. Poles. Ground. Slanting. Slides. Slides. Movable. Movable. Canvas cloth. Canvas cloth. Camping. Gypsies. Gypsies. Performances. Performers. Performers. Performer means circus performance. Performers are there, no? So they use tents and the caravans. They used caravans. So they go one place to another place. Today here they do the what circus, and tomorrow they go to another place. So they use the caravans. Next, extremely. 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 Regions. Regions. Next, tourist. Attraction. Attraction. Drainage. Drainage. Drains. 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 Next. Garbage. Garbage. Street. Street. Next, household. Household. Okay? Household. Next, designs. Decorate. Decorate our house. Birthday parties, in birthday parties and festivals, we decorate the houses. And occasions. Occasions means the festivals, birthday parties. Okay? These are the hard words from houses we make lesson. Wire netting. Wire netting. What happened, Manisha? Write down. Alapi, write down, Nana. Sunlight. Kill. Sunlight kills the germs. Germs means you eat na that germs. So you are eating a gems. This is red color, pink color, blue color gems. That gems? No. Okay? These are the hard words from houses we make lesson. 8th lesson. This is 8th lesson hard words. These are the 8th lesson hard words. Oh, K. Harika. What is your doubt, Amma?
Teacher, today I am read and underline. Teacher, which lesson, teacher?
Houses we make lesson only. Which lesson I said?
Okay, teacher.
Okay? So you write in plain notes and stick notes.
Okay, teacher.
So you have now plain notes. Arvi, what is your doubt? Unmute yourself. What is your
homework? What, teacher?
homework? Today or tomorrow homework?
What, teacher?
GK is so you read and learn the spellings. Complete your textbook workbook bits also up to 8th lesson. Okay? So these hard words you write in your fair notes, and after that you write question answers from the workbook. This lesson question answers are there, na? So that question answers you write from the workbook. Okay? Alapi, write down. So afterwards I will take pic. I keep in your group, Nana. So you see and write. So all of you stop writing and read along with me. Shashank, read along with me. Wait. So houses we make. Hard words. Protects. Read all of you. Protects. Thieves. Comfortable. Early man. Early man means who? We don't know early mans. Yes, do you know children? You did not see elephants. Means your father's father, your grandfather's father's fathers means they live many years back. We called early man. Many years back, people we called early man. So they use only leaves. Means they don't have any food or and clothes also. So we called early man. So he used leaves only for protect his body, and he eat flesh of meat only. Means what? We cooking na? We cooking after eat, but early man he did not eat like that. He eat directly. He kill the animals and he eat directly. Yes. Next, comfortable. Early man, broken, blown. Afterwards, I will ask you, Jinta Manipriya. Blown, stronger, affected, materials, climate, poles. So, which type of houses we use poles? Which type of houses we use poles? Huh? Anybody want to say? Anyone? Which type of houses we use poles? Manipriya. Jinka Manipriya, unmute yourself. Which type of houses we use poles? Rani, do you want to say?
Caravans.
Huh?
Caravans.
Yeah, in caravans we use poles. These are the special houses. This is a special house. In stilt house we use the poles. So stilt houses, you know stilt houses? Yes? We use poles. Okay? Next, ground. Slanting. Slides. Movable. Canvas. Canvas, it is the thick waterproof cloth. This is a cloth. Okay? Next, camping. Camping means you know very well. Some villages they come to campus or camping and they do the what he they check the our bodies means hospital campus. They come to our house village and they check our body also. So they do the house eye surgeries and they check our total body. Yes. Next, gypsies. Performances. Extremely. Regions. Regions means what? We have regions. Hindus, Muslims. Next, what? These are the regions. Okay. Next, tourist. Attraction. What is a tourist place? Kerala is the tourist place for houseboats. Yes. Attraction. Drainage. So in our houses we use underground drainages. Underground drainages because we covered with total cement and sand. So open drainages we cannot use because when we use the open drainages we suffered with some diseases. They share some means they share some water and mosquitoes. So we suffered with some diseases. So we use underground drainage. And drain, garbage, street, dustbins, household, designs, decorate, occasions, wire netting, sunlight, kill, gems. Means you eat gems. That gems? No. Gems means small insects, means criminal. Okay? Again I will read and all of you read one more time. Okay? Afterwards I will ask you. Yes, okay? Are you ready? Aruhi, where are you girl? Aruhi. Aruhi, where are you? Harvest, protects, thieves, comfortable, element, broken, blown. Blown means equipod. So blown away. Windy days that roof is blown away. Next to stronger, affected, materials, climate, poles, ground, slanting, slides, movable, canvas, camping, gypsies, performers, extremely, regions, tourist, attraction, drainage, drain, garbage, street, dustbins. So we don't use open dustbin. So we use only closed dustbins. Okay? Household, designs, decorate, occasions, wire netting, sunlight, kill, and last one, germs. So these are the hard words, children. So all of you write hard words in your fair notes, and 8th lesson question and answers also you write in your fair notes from your workbook. Okay? If you have any doubt? No? Now I will ask you. Shall I ask you? Who want to say? Pranit, no. Why? What happened? Harshita? Unmute yourself.
Attraction.
Attraction. Very good. Next. Who wants to say? Just raise your hand. Aruhi. Aruhi. Tanishka. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Unmute teacher.
What is it? Pranit. Unmute yourself.
Unmute teacher. Extremely.
Very good. Extremely. Next, Harish. Unmute yourself on your video first. What is this? Harika.
Teacher.
This word.
Drainage.
Very good. Drainage. Okay. Next, Varsha. Unmute yourself.
Teacher.
This word. Varsha. DASIGL. So we use Mehendi also. What are that? Mehendi? Next. Anybody want to say? Harish?
Teacher.
This word. No?
Not coming, teacher.
Designs. Yes. Okay, next. Samaj Vashi. Movable. Okay? Tomorrow I will ask you, Nana. So all of you read the hard words. Okay? Okay, thank you very much.